welcome to Stephie Creates, or welcome back to Stephie Creates. Today I have a package from a dear friend who lives back in Missouri. We used to work together. She's very artistic, crafty. I would link her in the description, but she says she's crafting for herself these days, so and for her enjoyment. But let's see what she made me and sent me for Christmas. Cute bags. Just throw that box out of here. Alright, let's start with the red one. Such a pretty bag. I love it. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Oh my god. She crocheted me a candy cane. Like, what? Oh my god, you did so good, Mary. Thank you. Oh, by the way, her name's Mary. Okay. I love this bag. Let's see what else we got here. Christmas coal. Ooh, what did she make? Alright, I gotta eat one. That's so cute, Christmas. Oh, what did she make? It looks like poop. Just kidding. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Wait, was I supposed to eat that? Just kidding. But anyway, candy cane is super cute. Thank you so much for making that for me. I love it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really short, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm going to eat this Christmas coal. Thanks, guys. Bye.